Hey guys, I want to show you how to make some cheap rod leashes for your kayak. All you'll need is two carabiners, some paracord, a lighter, and a semi-sharp pocket knife. Just take you about a foot and a half of paracord. Cut it off. Melt the end of it a little bit. Let that cool off for a second. Tie you a little knot in the end of it so it don't slip on you. Run it through your milk crate or a pad eye if you have one on your kayak. And tie you another little knot in the end of it, the other end. And tie you a simple little slip knot in it. And just cinch it up to your carabiner. Set your rods in there and clip it right on the handle. There you go. That way if you flip the kayak over, or you get in some rapids or anything, you still got your rods. Alright, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, y'all.